Hey guys,
Hey guys, my name is Karma,
my name is David.
and this is our channel,
How we life. Let's go. All right, so here today we are at the Beşiktaş property, and we are going to check on the renovations and how they're going. Karma is actually going to take us through what we've got going on so far. Let's go check it out.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna take you on a tour in our Besiktas property, the property that we bought and currently are renovating. I'm gonna take you through all of the process of the renovation that we're going through right now. We are actually in week 6 after some delays here and there because of holidays, but now we're back on track. So let me take you guys on a tour and show you kind of what's going on. Please bear with us guys, you're gonna hear a lot of construction work behind us in the background. We're not going to stop the guys from doing their job because we want this done high speed. So please excuse us for all the noises. So this apartment is in the heart of Beşiktaş, Istanbul in Turkey. It's actually a duplex and we're gonna start the tour in the first level here. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video because I am going to show you the most amazing view that we've ever seen actually in the whole Istanbul. So stay tuned and let's get this tour started. So this is the main entrance. As you walk from the main entrance here, you have a multi-purpose room right here. So initially, there was a big divider, there was a big wall right here. This was initially a small bedroom, and this was here, the living room. So what we decided to do is to demo this whole wall out and make this whole space into one room. So it's multi-purpose because it can either be a bedroom or it can be a huge living room. And let me just show you a small peek on the view. So one of the most amazing things about this location is that you kind of have, I'm gonna say more than 180-degree view. So you got the Bosphorus view here, and then you got a city view all the way from here. Let's continue the tour. So one of the ideas that we're thinking about this whole space here is that we're gonna have sliding doors right about here. So you either can have this whole area as a private area just for you, or you can actually leave the sliding door open and have the whole flow of the apartment. So this past week we've been pretty busy. We got all the electric done here, as you can tell. We got the sockets here ready. So we're gonna have a light switch over here. And here we're going to have a ceiling lamp for this area. As for these windows, we're thinking to put just either one big large window with a small door to be able to clean it, obviously. And here, as you can see, this is the plumbing and wiring for the AC system. So basically, we're going to have 4 different ACs, one in this specific area, and the other 3, I'll make sure to show you guys later. Alright, so let's check out the first bathroom of this property. It's gonna be a little bit dark because we don't have electricity running yet, but basically this is the first bathroom. We're gonna have a stand-up shower. The sink is going to be right here. It's gonna look awesome. I can't wait. So you get out of the bathroom and right here you're gonna find bedroom number 1. So this is the first bedroom on this first floor. And as you can see, it also has pretty amazing sized windows. And another really cool thing about this bedroom right here is that you have a small balcony. And I mean, the view doesn't get better than this. Come check this out. So actually, right here, there was a small kitchen, and this was a wall that separated the kitchen from the second bedroom initially here on this first floor. So we took out all this whole kitchen out, and we took out this wall and we opened it up as the first big bedroom in this first floor here. So for this bedroom, we're actually going to have an AC and we're going to install it right here. As you can tell, the plumbing and the electric for the AC is already installed. And actually, you kind of can't consider it as a master bedroom because the bathroom is literally one step away right here. Alright, let's go check out floor number 2. It's gonna get pretty loud, bear with us. Just real quick, I want to show you guys, if you stand right here, what you're going to be looking at. So all the way over there, you can see that's the Asian side, that's Kadıköy. And if you see right there in the middle, the Princess Island is over there. And that area over there is called Fatih. It has the famous mosques of Istanbul, such as the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia. That specific area is actually called Sultan Ahmed. So we are here on the 2nd floor of this duplex. They're actually working on the bathroom right now. The really cool thing about this second bathroom here is that we're going to have a skylight. They're still working on it, but I think it's gonna be super cool right here. We're gonna have a stand-up shower. We're gonna have the sink just about here. It's very similar to the layout of the first floor. We're going to have sliding doors here, and here is bedroom number 2 on the 2nd floor. As you can tell, over here, we're also going to install the 3rd AC in this apartment. So the plumbing and the electric is all ready for that, and we're due to install it, as I said before, within the next 2 or 3 days. And again, this bedroom here was also separated by a huge wall here, and we had a small kitchen just about here with a very tiny window looking at the Bosphorus, which is also pretty cool. So what we went ahead and done, we took out this whole huge wall and made this 2nd bedroom pretty spacious, as you can tell. And we decided to keep this cute little window. Are you guys still with me? There is still a lot to show you. Let's go. So this whole part, I'm just gonna leave until the end because there's a big surprise up there. Welcome to our amazing kitchen to be. First of all, let's look at the view. This is going to be a pretty awesome kitchen. The plumbing is already done, the electric is already done, which is pretty cool. And right here, this is where the hot water here is going to be. And this is where the kitchen counter is going to start all the way. And it's going to be a wrap around all the way until here. Here's actually a rough outline of how the kitchen is going to look like. So right here, we're going to have a nice sized big island, and it's going to be kind of a kitchen that you would hang out in and cook. It's what they call an American kitchen, basically. And this brings us to the 4th AC and the final AC that we're going to be installing here. The electric and the plumbing is already done for this AC, which is pretty cool. And I think we're going to be ready to work on the kitchen and install it the beginning of next week. So pretty stoked about that. So thank you so much, guys, for staying all the way to the end. And now it is time for us to show you and tell you about the big surprise that we have. So we actually are building a terrace. It's not just a regular terrace. We're actually going to have a kitchen and a barbecue area in the terrace. And if you think the view is nice from this level, just wait until the terrace is done and we're gonna make another video for that. So let's go check out the terrace. Thank you guys so much for staying all the way to the end, and I hope you enjoyed this tour of our Besiktas property here in Istanbul. We're still in the middle of the renovation process, David is actually working on a video right now in which he will detail and kind of break down all of the expenses and all of the numbers for you guys. So in case you are interested in buying a property here in Turkey, especially in Istanbul, you kind of have an idea of how much that's gonna cost and how much the renovation process plus the material and of course the labor is going to cost you here. So David got your back. He's going to have a video detailing all these numbers for you. So if you liked this tour and you'd like to see the after of this whole property, make sure you stay tuned to our channel because we are going to be posting a lot of videos about the process and the finished products very, very soon. See you guys later.